Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am scrapbooking with my Metallics Kill a Kit with Style, and I also pulled two papers from Close to My Heart. It's from a mix-in paper pack, and I really like this print and this print. I think it'll go great with this gold vellum floral. Now I am scrapbooking a photo which you might think would feel awkward with soft and floral and pretty because it is a bathroom selfie. But you know what? I'm okay with that. I'm okay with these kind of everyday moments having the important papers. So this is me in a shirt that my husband bought for me that said damn near perfect, and I just wanted to scrapbook it. So let's see what I can do. Alright guys, so like I said in my intro, don't be afraid to scrapbook with your pretty supplies for your photos that aren't gorgeous. I mean, sometimes you have a gorgeous photo and you want to scrapbook with beautiful supplies, and of course do that, but I mean, I think I'm scrapbooking with beautiful products and I'm doing a bathroom selfie. So, you know, I don't think I'm wasting my products. I don't think I am, doing my products a disservice. I'm actually doing them a great service. I am using them up and getting my products out of storage areas, not like long-term storage areas, but it takes up space in my room. And the more products I use and get in albums, that means the more products I get to buy. So it's a win-win all around. I get to use the beautiful things. I get to buy new beautiful things. I don't have a problem with storage because I'm running out of room. And, I get to make pretty albums. And that's what my goal is. So there we go. Use the stuff, love the stuff, enjoy the stuff. That's what it is all about. So while I've been on that little mini rant, I have been fussy cutting the florals out of this paper. So there's a lot of leaves left on this vellum paper, so I am going to save it. It isn't going to be something that I'm going to throw away. I will fussy cut the leaves out and add them in. I think that they will be great touches with floral die cuts, maybe in a shaker box, some sort of shaker pockets, or just like tucked under and peeking out at other things. Normally, I mean, if I'm going to be honest with you guys, which I am, normally, if this was just a pattern piece of paper, I would probably throw this paper in the bin. But because I really, really, really like the gold leaves, I want to fussy cut them out and use them. And if I don't use them this month during my Kill a Kit Metallics, then they will just go in the little die cut box that I keep my florals in. And then I'll be able to use them throughout when I'm using florals. So I don't feel like I'm wasting it. I do have to say, even though I say, supplies are supplies and use them up and don't save and hoard for the perfect moment, I do have a little bit more trouble throwing away specialty papers because, you pay a premium price for them. They aren't just regular old papers. So I do hesitate a little bit more with specialty papers just because I did pay, a little bit more for them. I think this one, though, I got on clearance, so I probably paid less than a regular sheet of paper, but still, it's still a specialty paper, and I still kind of got that little twinge that goes on in your mind. I think it's okay to have little twinges for products in your mind, but if you're twinging over everything, that might be a problem. If you can't bear to get rid of or throw away anything, then that might be a little bit of a problem. I did have that little bit of a problem years ago before I had my own personal epiphany, where it's just senseless to save the stuff that you hate because it's taking up space. It's taking up physical space. It's taking up space in your mind. Heck, it might even be taking up space in your heart. So I keep the products that I love, and if there's something that I fall out of love with, I can donate it. I can give it away. I mean, I could trash it. I could do whatever I want with it because I'm done with it. Okay, so I went ahead and tore this sheet of paper, and I don't know what it is about this paper, but I really, really like it. You know, I mean, it is a khaki and cream colored paper, and there's just papers that, you know, that might not be utterly gorgeous. Like, I would not say this is an utterly gorgeous paper, in my opinion. But there's just papers that just grab you and you just like them, and this is one of them. And I really like it with the blue. I don't know what to say about that. And this kind of coppery, this is more like a coppery gold glitter stock. I really like this paired with gold. I do try to bring in a little sticker that says "Embrace the Journey" that has gold and copper on it, and I was like, "Oh my word, this is absolutely perfect." But it just doesn't work for me. So I am bringing out more tulle. I love the tulle, you guys. Like, I just feel like it gives, you know, a light, airy, extra little bit to your layout. If you even glance at my layout, you might not even see the tulle at first quick little glance, but I know it's there. I know it gives a little bit of texture. I just like it. So instead of doing one kind of big tulle mat over top of my glitter stock, I do two, and then I staple them together in the center. That's just going to give me a little bit of extra because the tulle is so thin. Since I'm doubling it up, you do see it a little bit more. So I have a lot of adhesive on my photo, and it's still not sticking super great. So after I finish this voiceover, what I'm going to do is lay some Deluxe Nouveau adhesive underneath of the photo, place it on, you know what, maybe I'll just do it while we're chatting. I'm going to take some of this Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. I'm going to pull my photo up off of the pull. Could you hear it? And then I'm going to add the Nouveau Deluxe to the heck of a lot of ATG adhesive that I put down, and this will just help it stick a little bit better. It was sticking, but it needed to stick a little bit more. So I'm going to place that photo back over top of my photo mat right here, and then what is going to happen is I'll lay something heavy on it so it kind of sticks a little bit better, and we really don't have to worry about it coming up or anything like that. I'm also going to cover up my staples that are on this glitter cardstock with the tulle. I don't know why I thought about it during the process, but for some reason I just didn't think about it again. I'm just going to cover that up with a little bit of scrap vellum from that cut apart sheet, because I don't want my photo to get ruined by those staples. So now I have taken those fussy cut florals and I've just placed them around my photo so that it kind of gives it a nice border, a nice place for it to hang out and stay. Now, what am I going to put on top of my photo? This is what we'll put on top of the photo. We're going to go ahead and put some punches on top of that bad boy, and that'll hold it good. So I pull out this thicker sheet that I pulled for the kit, and it says Unforgettable on it. And I was originally going to put my title down here at the bottom, but I decided to do it up here at the top. When I put that floral piece up there, I thought maybe I would put a label up there and build a little, some sort of cluster, but I think I like the title up there best. It's almost a little bit unexpected, just because I normally gravitate to putting my title a little bit closer to the photo. And here is that gold and copper piece that I was talking to you about. It says Embrace the Journey. And I thought that that would be a great match because I have the copper and the gold going on already in my layout. But unfortunately, it just wasn't feeling right to me. And now I'm like, okay, I just need to add a little bit more. I feel like there is a lot of sparkle and shine, a good amount of shiny, shimmering, splendid we got going on here on this layout. So I just need to find a little something to finish it off. There are times where I keep trying to add more and it doesn't work. So more is not always more. More is more until it's not. And I thought about adding in another word, but I really, really did not like the way that looked up there. So I just decided to leave the title as Unforgettable. And then I'm looking around for some nice little gold hearts, and I find them here from this Pink Fresh studio sticker sheet. I think I've had 2 of these sticker sheets, I want to say. And I'm almost finished with the second one, so that's pretty awesome that I have been able to use it. I love a good sticker sheet that has lots of neutral things that I can use on a lot of different layouts, and it's not too themey. Sometimes I really want a theme sticker, but most of the time I want my stickers to be able to go across multiple layouts and themes. And, you know, I don't mind making my products work. But I don't want to have to make every single product I use work for what I'm doing. That just stresses me out. So I'm going to add a couple of gold hearts in 3 different places. I'm going to nestle some over here in this corner. I'm going to nestle some down here at the bottom. And then I'm going to put 2 overlapping over here by the title up at the top. I am going to add just a tiny, tiny little bit of journaling. Not a whole bunch, because I do have another shirt. My husband ordered 2 shirts for me, and I took 2 bathroom selfies and sent them to him when I got them both. So I will have another page that I will probably do a little bit more journaling on, because that page isn't, I don't think that page is going to be beautiful. I think that one is going to be a little bit more patriotic because it's kind of an Americana shirt that he sent. So my journaling says, Christopher just gets me. He ordered the shirt. It really is damn near perfect. Love this man so. And I really do. You guys, he is so amazing. Like, he is truly my best friend, and I want to spend as much time with him as possible. I just love that man. Who'd have thought? You know, fun fact, we eloped. Our first date was in April and we were married in September, and we eloped, and many people said that it wasn't going to last, but sometimes when you know, you know. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for listening to me ramble, and I will see you again real soon for another video.